Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today in this video I'm going to answer a question asked by one of my students called Ali. Ali sent me these four sentences, short sentences, questions and sentences, and asked me what are these so's at the end of these sentences. I think so, I do so. Is that so? I say so. Why so? And what do they do? What do they do? And what's the rule to use these? When should we use them and when should not? When should we avoid using these in this poll? Okay. Well, when should we avoid using so's like these at the end of these sentences? When you start speaking. Okay. One of my colleagues. I used to have a colleague, and she used to say she wanted to tell a customer to call, let's say, XYZ company. Okay, she would say, "I think so. You have to call them first." I think so. What so? What is so? So, in the beginning of the sentence, when you start talking to people, when you start your sentence, is not correct, okay? Because it should refer back to something, okay? So, let me tell you, you say something, okay? You say something. This is your sentence in my ear, okay? And I say, I think so. I refer back to your sentence saying so. I don't think so. I refer back to your sentence. I say that what you said is what I think. So I think so means similar to you. Let's look at this example over here. The person says, are they open now? Okay, imagine we are here deciding, thinking of buying something. Okay, we're not sure if the shop that we are thinking is open or not. We talk to each other and say, are they open now? At this time, are they open? And I say, I think so. What is this so now? I think they are open now. Okay? Instead of repeating the sentence once again, instead of saying, I think they are open now, I say, I think so. Okay, so means the same sentence again. Instead of repeating the sentence, I use so. So is like a pronoun over here. But this pronoun is not really a pronoun. This acts like a pronoun. And it sits in the place of a full sentence. Okay, and stops repetition. Okay, avoids repetition. So this sentence is, I think so, is, I think they are open now. Or I want to say, I think they are not open now. I can again use so, but I say, I don't think so. You should have heard this. I don't think so. I don't think so. What does it mean? It means, I think they are not open now. Okay, so this is said, then we just want to agree and kind of say yes in a way. We say, I think so. Okay, are they open now? Instead of saying yes, they are open. I'm not sure, I'm not 100% sure, so I say, I think they are open now. And instead of repeating the sentence, I say so. That sentence is in our ear. We know what we are talking about. I think so. That sentence, which is in our ears. Okay? I do so. Okay. I've got a device in my hand and I press the buttons and it doesn't work. And I say, it seems that this machine is gone. This is not working. And you tell me, press the red button first. Press the red button first. You are telling me what to do. And I say, I do so. What do I mean by saying I do so? I say, I am doing what you are telling me. I am doing that. But it doesn't work. So I do press the red button first. Okay? So this is what I am doing. Instead of saying I do and the full sentence, I just say so. Okay? Over here, is that so? Is that so? Imagine two people talking to each other. Mr. A is talking to Miss B, okay, and says, I heard that you've got, they're talking about a horse, and the man talks to me and says, did you know that she has got a horse? I say, oh, is that so? Is that so? Means, is that right? Is that true? Not right. Is that true? Is he kidding me, or is that true? Okay, I heard you have a horse. Is that so? I heard you have a horse. Is that true that you have a horse? Rather than saying the full sentence, I do not repeat my sentence and I just say so. So means the same thing over here. Okay? So we have the sentence in our memories. Then we just refer to that piece of information by so. Okay? I say so. I say so. Two friends are talking to each other and say, is she cheating on him? Is she cheating on him? We are talking about a couple. We are talking about one of our friends or a couple of our friends. Say, is she cheating on him? Is she cheating on him? And then the other person says, I say so. It means if you ask me, I say she is cheating on him. This is what the guy is thinking. Okay? So over here means I agree with this. I think yes. So that's another way just to say yes, but not that 100% sure. If you're sure, then you say yes. But if you're not sure, then you say I think so. I say so. If you ask me, I would say so. I would say so. Means I'm not saying for 100%, but well, yeah, I think this is true. So at the end of these kind of sentences means the same thing, the same idea, just idea that has been put earlier, and by saying I think so, say I think that is correct, that is true, that is right. Okay, I do so, I do that way. Is that so? Is that true? Is that correct? Is that the same thing? So this is what depends on what has been said before. Okay, so where should not we use them? The beginning of the sentence, starting the discussion. Okay, I can't say I think so, they are open. Well, I think so, they are open. So if you think they are open, just say that. If you think so, then you know what I mean. So you can just say I think so, and then you say I think. It's like you have combined two sentences. I think A, I think B. You can't say I think so and then complete it, because this doesn't complete that. Okay, so we can put this in a sentence in as one idea, finish it, and then referring back to this, instead of repeating that, just say so. Okay, hope this has been helpful. Hope this has given you piece of information, and using them would be a bit easier for you from now on. If not, if there is any questions, any doubts, just let me know by commenting them, the questions, anything below this video, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm happy to be here with you, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.